Financial planning is often the most overlooked aspect of people's lives. It doesn't matter where you are on your journey. Whether you are fresh out of college or retired, it's important to have a solid plan. This video will show you why financial planning is not just wise but essential for a secure future. The first reason you need a financial plan is to avoid living paycheck to paycheck. Living paycheck to paycheck is a reality for many, and it's a terrible situation to be in. When you're in this situation, every dollar you make is already held up for your bills. Every paycheck goes toward your bills like rent, utilities, food, and insurance. You don't have any disposable income for anything other than survival. Any unexpected expense will send you spiraling into financial chaos. Indeed, living paycheck to paycheck is a pitfall you want to avoid, and having a plan will help you avoid this situation. A plan will allow you to see what steps you need to break free from this vicious cycle. The second reason you need a financial plan is to avoid compounding debt. Many people are in debt. It's something you can't avoid if you don't have a lot of income. Common types of debt are credit cards, personal loans, a mortgage, car notes, and student loans. Debt itself is not a bad thing. It gives you the ability to purchase or access things you wouldn't otherwise have been able to. The problem with debt is that the people who usually have it can't afford to pay it off. They often only pay the minimum, miss payments, or outright refuse to pay, thus leading to compounding interest. It takes a while for the average person to pay it off. As such, they will pay out more money in the long run. You need to develop a plan for paying off your debt as soon as possible to avoid compounding debt. Paying it off will reduce the strain on your finances and your stress levels. The costs of debt aren't just financial, it affects your mental health. Debt will make your anxiety rise higher with each passing day, and have you feeling like you're drowning in numbers. Sleepless nights, strained relationships, constant worry, these are the hidden costs of debt. With the right plan, you can navigate through financial stress and steer your life back toward stability. The third reason you need a financial plan is to be prepared for emergencies. An emergency can happen to anyone, rich or poor. Your car could break down, you could end up in the hospital, or you could lose your job. Most people would be left scrambling if hit with one of these major expenses. That's why an emergency fund is so important. It's a financial buffer that stands between you and financial ruin. But it's not just about having money set aside. It's about securing your peace of mind, knowing that when life throws a curveball, you're prepared. It's recommended to have at least 6 months' worth of living expenses, so start saving now. The fourth reason you need a financial plan is because of missed opportunities. Without a solid financial plan, you could miss out on good opportunities. We're talking about investments that could multiply your earnings, real estate that could provide a steady income stream, or a business venture that could change your life. This lack of planning could also lead to financial regret. This regret might come from missed chances to invest in a good price stock, not buying that dream house when the market was low, or simply not saving enough when you had the chance. Remember, opportunities are like sunrises. If you wait too long, you miss them. So, plan ahead to avoid any regrets. The fifth reason you need a financial plan is so you can have a good retirement. Imagine reaching retirement without a plan or notion of how you are going to pay your bills. The thought of spending your retirement years worrying about money rather than enjoying the fruits of your labor is stressful. Yet it's a reality for many who neglect retirement planning. They face the reality of outliving savings, and their golden years turn into a period of financial insecurity. Many people find themselves in a similar situation, grappling with financial challenges at a time when they should be enjoying their hard-earned rest. Don't let this be you. Everyone should be planning for retirement. It's a necessity. It's the key to ensuring you can maintain your lifestyle and meet your needs once you stop working. The sixth reason you need a financial plan is to avoid paying more taxes than you need to. Taxes are a significant part of our financial lives, and poor tax planning can lead to a substantial chunk of your income going to Uncle Sam. You see, the tax code is complex and filled with various credits, deductions, and exemptions. Not taking advantage of these opportunities is akin to leaving money on the table. For instance, if you're not considering tax-efficient investing strategies, you could be paying capital gains tax on investments when you could have minimized or even avoided it. Remember, it's not about tax evasion, which is illegal. It's about understanding and leveraging tax laws to your benefit, legally and ethically. Planning your finances with taxes in mind can ensure you're not overpaying. It will help you keep more of your hard-earned money. The seventh reason you need a financial plan is to maintain good relationships with others. Did you know that financial stress can take a toll on your personal relationships? Money issues often become personal issues, causing rifts in marriages, friendships, and even families. It's a common story played out in many people's lives all around the world. Consider a friendship strained by an unpaid loan. It starts as a favor, a friend helping a friend, but when you fail to pay them back, the friendship is tested, sometimes beyond repair. The trust that once formed starts to erode, and the conversations start to get short. This story underlines the heavy toll financial stress can put on your personal relationships. It's not just about the money, it's about the harmony, trust, and love that can be lost by not managing your finances. The 8th reason you need a financial plan is to improve your quality of life. The strain of financial stress can take a significant toll on your physical and mental health. It's the sleepless nights, the constant worries, and the feeling of uncertainty that comes with financial instability. These can lead to chronic health issues, from heart disease to mental health disorders like anxiety and depression. In fact, research has shown a direct link between financial stress and health problems. A study published in the American Journal of Public Health found that individuals who struggle with financial stress are more likely to suffer from mental health disorders. Another study in the Journal of Aging and Health suggested that financial stress can even lead to a shorter lifespan. So it's crucial to remember that your financial health is as important as your physical and mental health. Don't neglect it, plan for it. The 9th reason you need a financial plan is for financial security. At its core, financial security is about peace of mind. It's about knowing that you have the resources to meet your needs, cover unexpected expenses, and still have something left to enjoy the things you love. But what happens when you don't have it? You're constantly worried about making ends meet or whether you'll be able to afford a sudden expense. It's a state of perpetual concern, a constant hum in the background, reminding you that you're just one unexpected expense away from a financial crisis. It's about feeling like you're always playing catch-up, never quite able to get ahead. This relentless anxiety can impact every aspect of your life. It can affect your health, increasing your stress levels and even leading to physical ailments. It can strain your relationships, as financial worries become a constant source of tension. It can even impact your career, as financial insecurity can make it harder to take risks or pursue new opportunities. But perhaps the most insidious effect of financial insecurity is how it can rob you of your future. Without financial security, it's difficult to plan for the long term and to imagine a future where you're not constantly worrying about money. This can lead to a cycle of short-term thinking, where you're always focused on the immediate problem and never able to plan for the future. Financial insecurity is not just about money. It's about the freedom to live your life without constant worry, and to make choices based on what you want, rather than what you can afford. It's about being able to plan for your future and feel confident that you're on solid financial ground. So let's flip the script. Let's make financial security not just a dream, but a reality. Because financial security is not optional. It's a necessity.